Hey there, Ivana Bosnjak here, and I am an online entrepreneur and have been one for over 10 years now. And in my years online, I've learned quite a bit, and I like to share that with my subscribers, with my followers. So that is exactly what you can expect from this channel. If you are into any type of marketing online, I'm going to share with you techniques and strategies that have worked very well for me, from make money online to affiliate marketing to local marketing. And pretty much, anything that I have done previously, I am going to talk to you about. Now, to top that off, since I've been involved with internet marketing, I have many skills, and oftentimes people ask me to review their products. So if I see a product that's really awesome that can help you as well, expect to hear about it. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to the case study that I have available to you, how anyone can easily generate a 4-figure in affiliate commissions in just 4 days. You can follow what I've done so you can replicate my results. You get the exact landing page, the product that was used, the video that we had, and of course the email sequence. So make sure you jump in, and I'll see you on the other side.